Welcome to the National Institute of Academics. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term alterations in weather patterns and average temperatures across the Earth's surface. It is primarily driven by human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, deforestation, and industrial processes, which release greenhouse gases (GHGs) into the atmosphere. These GHGs, including carbon dioxide, CO2, methane 4, and nitrous oxide N2O, trap heat from the sun and prevent it from escaping back into space. This phenomenon is known as the greenhouse effect. As GHG concentrations increase in the atmosphere due to human activities, more heat is trapped, leading to a gradual rise in global temperatures. This rise in temperature is commonly referred to as global warming, which is a component of climate change. However, climate change encompasses broader changes beyond just temperature, including shifts in precipitation patterns, sea level rise, melting glaciers and ice caps, more frequent and intense extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves, and ecological disruptions. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and can have severe consequences for both human societies and natural ecosystems. Rising global temperatures can disrupt agricultural systems, leading to reduced crop yields and food scarcity, as well as increased vulnerability to pests and diseases. Changes in rainfall patterns can result in droughts or floods, threatening water supplies and ecosystems. Sea level rise can cause coastal erosion, submerge low-lying areas, and increase the frequency of destructive storm surges. Furthermore, climate change exacerbates existing social and economic inequalities. Vulnerable populations, including the poor, marginalized communities, and developing countries, often face the greatest challenges in adapting to and mitigating the effects of climate change. Addressing climate change requires global efforts to reduce GHG emissions and transition to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources, such as renewable energy. International agreements, like the Paris Agreement, aim to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, and pursue efforts to limit the temperature increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. These goals require a combination of mitigation reducing emissions and adaptation building resilience to climate impact strategies.